Welcome to DIY Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Za from Weird Wild Pizza. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more sourdough videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make Weird Wild Pizza Dough from all natural sourdough starter. It's made from only 3 ingredients: starter, flour, and salt. And it's the perfect dough. Crispy, fluffy, strong enough to hold all the weird toppings I can throw at it. So let's make some dough. Thank you for watching DIY Sourdough on Weird Wild Pizza with Papa Za. Click the link below to learn how to make and feed your sourdough starter. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more DIY Sourdough.